Hello, welcome back to the channel. Whenever we apply any strategy, we wanted to know how it is performing. And the best way to do is to get the XIRR or extended internal rate of return of our strategy. This is because we can check the XIRR of our strategy and the XIRR of Nifty index to compare how well our strategy is performing against the index. Now you may ask why XIRR and not annualized returns. This is because XIRR handles irregular cash flows with varying intervals, while annualized returns generally assume regular cash flows or a single lump sum. And we might be investing in the market at varying intervals with different amount rather than one time buy and one time sell. And that's why we should calculate the XIRR and not the annualized returns. When I wanted to check my XIRR from Zerodha, it is not giving me any values. This is because I've invested in different entities like ETF, stocks, got some IPOs, some liquid fund. I wanted to know what is the XIRR, and since Zerodha is not giving, I have created my own Google Sheet where I can input the buy and the sell of a particular stock and then calculate the XIRR. For me, I wanted to know what is the XIRR after reducing all the brokerage as well as the short-term capital gain tax, and that's why I have added that provision in my Google Sheet so that it gives me the XIRR reducing that values. I have added the sheet link in the description. You can also use it in your calculation. So let's go through the sheet and understand how to use it. So as you can see in the screen, I have the stock name. I have added it with the NSE code. What is the buy date? What is the buy price? Buy quantity, sell date, sell price, sell quantity, brokerage plus income tax, how much I have paid, as well as the total investment till date. So similarly for Nifty Bs, like you can use the stock or ETF, anything, and we have to input values till this I, like that is total investment till date. Now this is auto calculated, so we don't have to do any changes in this. So the investment amount is being calculated, how much we have invested, the sold amount, how much we have got after selling it, as well as what is the holding days, the profit and loss amount, whether we have got profit or it is a loss, the profit percentage, and how much profit we have got after deducting the brokerage and income tax. So since I have only added these two, one cell is in August and one cell is in September. So that's why this sheet will give me the summary of it. Like in August, what is the sum of profit amount, what is the sum of profit amount after deducting the brokerage and income tax, how much is the max investment for August, what is the monthly profit percentage, that is 0.17%, what is the overall profit percentage, and what is the approx annualized for August. Similarly for September, what is the sum of the profit and loss amount, sum of the profit and sum of the profit after deducting the brokerage and income tax, what is the max investment till date. Since the max investment reduces, my profit percentage has increased, that is 0.57%, what is the overall profit percentage, and what is the approx annualized, and what is the grand total, how much profit I have got till now, and what was the max investment till like the grand total of max investment. Okay, so say for example, if I have to add a new stock, what I will be doing is I will be adding say for example, I have added a Hero Motoco. So I have bought this in, say for example, at 5/20/2024, and then I have bought two quantities. I have bought for, say for example, 6,000 rupees. I have got two shares of it, and I have sold it, say for example, at 6/30/2024, and the sell price was, say for example, 7,000, and the sell quantities I'll be selling both, and then brokerage I have given 5. So and the investment till that time was 30,000. So now as you can see, it has auto calculated the investment amount, it has auto calculated the sold amount, holding days. It has calculated the profit and loss amount, the profit and loss percentage, as well as the profit after deducting the brokerage and income tax. And then, as you can see, this gets auto updated. It has added this June because I have sold it in the June, and then it calculated the sum of profit and loss amount. What is the sum of profit after deducting the brokerage and income tax? What is the max investment? That is 30,000. What is the monthly profit percentage? I got 6.58%. And what is the overall? Approx annualized 79%, because that time only from the 30,000 I have got 1975, and that's why this has calculated that okay, in a year you might get more profit. So that's why approx annualized at that time was 79%. But after calculating till September, I am getting the approx annualized at 7.93%. And this is how the sheet works. So as I said, I have added this sheet link in the description. You can make a copy. You can go here and do make a copy and then use it for your XIRR calculation as well. Thank you. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on personal finance and wealth building. Thank you.